Hello everyone and welcome back to 50 Plus Luxury Style. Today's video is a super exciting one, especially if you are a Louis Vuitton lover like I am. I have a terrific reveal to show you. It is, in my opinion, the solution to what a lot of us had been wanting and waiting for. So I am so excited to share it with you. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Isabel. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, click on the subscribe button down below. Hit the notification bell so that you can find out every time I upload a new video, and give the video a like. If you are a returning subscriber, I'm so happy you're here. Let's go ahead and get going. The bag in question is right here. It is not a true unboxing because I picked this up the first week in February as soon as it launched, and I have been wearing it. If you follow me on Instagram, you will have already seen it. Shameless plug. I'll go ahead and insert my Instagram information right here. But that being said, here it is. Let's talk about the fantastic new release from Louis Vuitton. This one right here. The answer to many of our prayers. We have the absolutely beautiful Louis Vuitton Soufflot. Soufflot. I'll insert it. I don't know how to pronounce it. Soufflot. I call it the Soufflot. This is the Soufflot BB. Absolutely stunning. The answer to our prayers. This is the beautiful monogram canvas with the gorgeous black cowhide leather handles, my friends. The handles are black. You don't have to worry about the vachetta. I love it. Okay, let me go ahead and give you a tour so you can check out the bag. It is spectacular. Again, this is the Louis Vuitton Soufflot BB in the BB size, and it comes in the BB and in the M. For purposes of this video, we are going to go ahead and concentrate on the BB, and the BB comes in this gorgeous monogram with noir or black trim and gussets, or it also comes in the cerise, which is the red handles, gussets, and trim. Oh, my friends, let me show you this bag. So obviously I went ahead and picked it up in the noir. Again, the trim, the handles, and the gussets is all cowhide leather, gorgeous. It has two handles. It has the luggage tag, which of course I have gone ahead and got it hot stamped. My friends, it comes with 4 feet. 4 feet, my friends. Absolutely gorgeous. Gold hardware. And before we get even into the inside of the bag, it comes with an adjustable strap. Yes, my friends, this bag can be worn 4 ways: crossbody, shoulder, by hand, or the crook of the arm. It is sensational. All right, I am just like all over it. I love it. Let's take a little tour of the bag. On the inside, first of all, it actually has 3 compartments. 1, 2, and the third one is the zippered compartments. The 2 outer compartments stay together with, it has a magnetic component. So you just go like this and they go ahead and they stay closed up. Of course, you have to be careful because if you have small items and you place them in these flaps, they could come out, but that's why you've got the zipper compartment. So this flap right here is just an open compartment with the spectacular microfiber lining. In this case, it's the black microfiber lining. The other side has a slip pocket right here, a large slip pocket, and then the large compartment. And then the middle has this stunning, stunning gold hardware. Let me just kind of try and show you that. It's got the beautiful, beautiful zippers. I love, love these. And so you open them up, and inside you have a very large compartment in the middle. Now let me just show you, I'm so excited. Let me just show you, it came with the little book. It came with the little card which says coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, and microfiber lining. And it also came with the product information, which is right here. And I will go ahead and share this down below. I'll link it down below. And so, yes, let me go ahead and show you a couple more of the details. So this is the front of the bag. Beautiful gold hardware. Look at the gorgeous detail on the side. These black, like, gussets right here with the gold hardware right here. Let me get the zipper out of the way. It's got a black tab here, and this is where you're going to attach your strap if you want to wear it on the shoulder or crossbody. This is the strap, and let's go ahead and attach it. And it's very, very easy to attach this. Okay, so that's what the side looks like. It's got beautiful kind of pebbled leather right here. This is smooth leather. This is smooth leather. This is pebbled, which looks beautiful, gives it contrast, and is probably more durable. The feet, which I love, and the back. The handles go all the way down, so if you want to wear this crossbody or on your shoulder, you don't have to worry about them sticking up like this. You just go ahead and lay them down. So just stunning, absolutely stunning. I have worn this. Basically, I got it, I tried to do the video, I didn't have the time, and I just started wearing it, and I can tell you that it is a stunning, stunning bag. It is so versatile. I've been wearing it to work every single day. I love it. Let me think what else. Oh, the other thing that I really love about this bag, it kind of has these here, like the Speedy, which I love because it means I can put bag charms on here. I can put a lot of different things other than the luggage tag, and I love doing that. I haven't done it in a while, but I will start doing it again. But mainly the bag is, in my opinion, super classy, super durable, and really something that you can wear day or night. And the best thing is the black handles. It really makes it a bag that now you don't have to worry if you're using it for work, or if you're using it for the evening, or if you're using it for anything. And not only that, it's going to match with everything. I absolutely love it. Let me go ahead and share the measurements of this bag So the bag is 11.4 inches long. It is 7.5 inches high, and it is 4 inches wide. It also says right here, let's see if I can have this focus. Let's see. Louis Vuitton Paris. I'm not sure if you can see it or not. Okay, so this bag, it's going to be very difficult to see, but it's got the leather little square right here. It says Louis Vuitton Paris, and inside here it says made in the USA from imported materials, and then the date code is also in there, and it's just very hard to see because it's that black hole. So this bag was actually made in the US, and it's absolutely stunning. Okay, my friends, this is what I wanted to share with you. This is the brand new release. This launched February 1st. It is on the website. It is in the stores. I highly recommend that you check it out. If you are an LV lover and you love the canvas, but you want to have an option that's not vachetta, this is it. I love it. As many of you may remember, I have been wanting to get the Louis Vuitton World Tour Speedy without any stickers just because I wanted the black handles. And I've got to tell you that I don't know if I'm going to be ordering that anymore, because I think this one can definitely take its place. That being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Leave me any questions in the comment section down below. I will be doing a follow-up video with what fits in the bag, because like I said, I have now been wearing it for a full week, and I have put different things inside of it. So I will go ahead and try and upload that other video soon. In the meantime, have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day, and I will see you soon. Bye.